My teeth were shifting. Things were moving, they were no longer straight, they were crooked. I had started to lose teeth. I was barely eating foods. I was eating a lot of soft foods that I didn't have to chew. My teeth were very sensitive to both hot and cold. But like most people, I put off going to the dentist. I was never a fan of the dentist, and so I put it off until the point where things started to really get bad. Well, my name is Karmen. My husband Rodney and I have been married for, it'll be 19 years. We have 3 amazing kids. Rodney is a full-time pastor of the Assembly Church. I lead the women's group at the church, which is called Love. It's Ladies of Virtue and Excellence. Rodney and I also run a nonprofit foundation. It's called the Nathaniel Foundation. So we're very active in our community. We do a lot. You know, right before I met Dr. Parker and Dr. Hales, I was beginning to feel pretty hopeless about my dental situation. But from the moment I walked into the office, it is such a relaxed atmosphere. Everyone was friendly, from the front desk to the doctors. Everyone there was friendly, made me feel comfortable, made me feel at home. The thing that's most dramatically changed since having this procedure done is definitely my confidence level. I feel like before this happened, before I had this procedure done, I was in a box. I was limited to what I could do. But when I smile now, there's a freedom. I can smile as big as I want to. I can laugh. I can show you the joy that I'm actually feeling instead of holding that back. And I can talk, and I know that I can be judged or received based on what I'm saying instead of how I look. It's been a huge confidence booster. If I could offer any suggestions to someone who is considering getting this type of work done, I would say don't wait. Don't put your life on hold any longer because you don't have to. Hales Parker Dentistry, they are awesome, they are amazing, but my advice is just get it done. Don't be embarrassed, don't be afraid. Just take that first step and you'll see your life will be different. Your life will change based on what they can do for you.